Food and Beverage Expo.
Hi, this is Madan from Reflect Ventures Limited. So we also have a packaging company. Reflect Ventures Limited is generally a company which is into multiple verticals. So one of our verticals is print pack company. Like we are into retail and as well as commercial market. So we are working on packaging for different products like food and beverages is our whole new premium range. So we are also into distilleries, like we are into liquor labels, we are into liquor boxes and stuff. We are moving into the retail market now. So we have a brand called Repack, which is an e-commerce business. So with that, we are able to serve all the home bakers, new cafes, startup businesses in terms of packaging. So we have taken an opportunity in Food and Beverages Expo just to improvise the visibility to the market, where we can actually help all scales of businesses. And luckily, with a good team, I'm able to reach out so many people in different aspects. So I think with this expo, we'll definitely have a good exposure on the market because we are already having a huge customer base. But with this expo, I think we are able to reach out new people from different sectors and mediums, because from morning we've had different industries coming in. We have also had people from restaurants, cafes, hospitality, air freights, shipping, cargoes, and so many. So yes, we are hoping to reach so many other new audiences with the help of this platform. Thank you.
Food and Beverage Expo, 21st, 22nd and 23rd June, 2023 Manpo Convention Center, Bengaluru.